My name is Musi, and this is day 1 of the 30-day YouTube challenge, round 2. What's happening, guys? My name is Musi, and this is day 1 of the 30-day challenge that I put upon myself to be a better content creator, volume 2, because I failed the first one. So what I put together here is a collection of videos or motion graphics or animations or things in the cinematography world that visually resonate with my brand identity and, with me as a person. These might be things that are either drawn on videos like this. It doesn't even mean that I know how to do all this stuff. I look at this, it gets me going, if you know what I mean. There's a lot of different looks and feels you can have for your brand, and when you're consistent, when people can see the things that are consistent over time, that's what makes and shapes your brand. So for me, this visual style that you're looking at, that's something that attracts me and pulls me in a direction that I want to go in, and that's why we're here. With that being said, tomorrow I want to dig more onto the design side, do the same thing but for the design and graphic design and the visual language that we're gonna use. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. It was quick. That's what it's supposed to be. Quick. Done is better than perfect. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because I see that the 5 people that are watching the videos, they're not subscribed. So subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.